Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and for those of you who are new, I am Precious from Precious Blooms, Jamaica. You've probably been wondering why I haven't been putting out any videos lately, but we have been experiencing a lot of rainfall for the past 2 weeks and I haven't been able to do much in my garden. Nonetheless, I went shopping recently and I picked up a few Vanda terretes and Aranda orchids. And today I am going to be sharing my orchid haul with you guys. But before we get into the video, I realize that a lot of you guys have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel. So hey, please become a member of the Precious Blooms gang. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss when I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First one that I'll be sharing with you is a beautiful pink, and it is called V. Nelly Morley, and it is crossed with Suk Saram Beauty. Here are the roots, guys, quite healthy. Whenever I buy a Vanda cutting, I always look for those cuttings that have nice green healthy roots, just like this one here. And this is another healthy roots that's hiding in the leaf of the terret. Look at it, guys, quite green and healthy. Because the healthier the roots are, that is what is going to determine how successful your plant is going to grow. All right. Next terret is VJVB crossed with Tananchai San. And the bloom, this bloom is yellow. This one is a yellow bloom. And some of the roots here, a few of them are dry, but nonetheless it still has healthy roots on it. This is quite a healthy root. It's putting out another one here. All right, and there are two more down here. Next terret is quite a gorgeous purple. VJVB crossed with Kultana Blue. It's not a tall plant because some of the Vanda terrets, some of them are tall and some of them they're sort of on the shorter side. There are different varieties. All right, so here it is. These are the roots. And here we have another pink terret. This one is VJB crossed with Cow Yai Fancy. It has two healthy roots. Not a tall plant as the others, but still quite a healthy plant or cutting. And last but not least, viewers, this is another purple, and this one is called V Mamo crossed with Corilla. And these are the roots. And this one is quite tall. Now let me take you to the Aranda species. Guys, this one seems to be ever so tall. This Aranda is Gyrock Heartthrob Pink Spot. Here are the roots. second Aranda, Ramsaraya Jarrock Blue. And this one has quite a few healthy roots. Not a tall plant, but it has some real healthy roots. This is sort of a small plant as well, and this one is Christine crossed with V. Charles Goodfellow. This bloom is whitish, pinkish, not full white. I like to have a variety of colors. And this is another Aranda, Cow, Pike, Swan, and it's also crossed with Charles Goodfellow. And I showed you one before that was crossed with Charles Goodfellow. So this is another species that's crossed with Charles Goodfellow. Look at the roots. Small plant, but it has healthy roots. Last but not least, for the Aranda species, Aranda Chow Prayer Beauty. It seems similar to the Aranda Christine, but the bloom, the colors seem similar, but the blooms are quite different. And when I picked up my Vandas, I also picked up two shade Vandas that I'm going to introduce to you also. A beautiful pink. V Tristar Blue Pink Gauze. Look at it, guys. It has the mother plant. It has another plant here. And there is also another plant right here. So we have 3 plants in this pot. And these are actually, this is actually a shade Vanda. And I'll be mounting it or hanging it onto a tree. And the second shade Vanda is called V Adisac Citrine. Seems to be an orange with spots. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. In my next video, I will share with you how I cut my Aranda and Vanda turrets. Do remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, Precious Blooms Jamaica, and follow me on Instagram at Precious Blooms JA and on Facebook at Precious Blooms JA. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, see you soon.